doing mostly outside. We got another guy over here. He should be able to handle it. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start our sucking. We got our tank all set up for recovery. We're on the line side of this with the disconnect pulled, okay? So while you're doing your recovery, you can take apart this panel and be all ready for your lead. Say, hey, come get this. There you go, boys. Good as gold right there, right? Nah. She wants 12 inches. So now you got your pad all marked out. What you need to do in there, get your half a shovel and just start going to town, making it pretty. Number one thing, make sure it's level. I want to come to your unit and see it's level with your siding. Hopefully the siding guy did it right, but now, see, the bigger you go, the more room they give you here. Say that about a lot of things. Pulling that, you can get your tip in there. Shove it down in there. I can do that.